Okay, we're at home August 26, 2009. And this girl, Michaela Sophie Chalamet, has what we call a shoe fetish. She loves shoes, right, Litao? Does Michaela love shoes?
She hates them.
No, go up. Litao falling. Michaela talks about shoes. She likes to try on everybody's shoes. And here she's got one shoe from each of Mommy's sets. And she's walking around the house with them.